We are currently seeing a government led by Netanyahu, which has already committed a genocide. And on the Kurdish side, this is a dilemma. How for the Kurds can process this kind of relationship with Israel if this relationship from rhetoric is translated into reality?
Establishing contacts, establishing diplomatic relations with external entities does not necessarily mean that you are fully aligned with that entity's policies. Now, let's give Turkey as an example. The Turkish state has conducted genocides against the Kurdish people, has killed tens of thousands of Kurds extrajudicially throughout this time, has imprisoned maybe over 100,000 throughout this most recent war between Turkey and the PKK. And yet, the Kurds in Turkey want to make peace with this state. The crimes committed by a state also doesn't preclude you from establishing contacts with that state.